Hi, this is Brian Flannery here at South Hills Toyota, and I'm here with our Toyota Certified Pre-Owned Red Carpet Special. Our goal here in 2019 is to have around 40 to 50 Toyota Certified Pre-Owned vehicles at all times. If you go on our website, southhillstoyota.com, and you don't see something that you want, call us and we'll get it for you. The Certified program with Toyota is the absolute best in the business. The best new cars make the best pre-owned cars. Every Toyota Certified Pre-Owned vehicle is going to come with a Carfax, work order of all the completed work, and a 160 plus point check done by a Toyota Certified technician. The warranty on the vehicle is 7 years, 100,000 miles, powertrain, 12 months, 12,000 miles, new vehicle comprehensive, 1 year roadside assistance, free Pennsylvania state inspections as long as you own it from South Hills Toyota, as well as your first oil change complimentary on us. We encourage you to visit us at southhillstoyota.com. South Hills Toyota, where the cars will start.